What's up, everyone, and we're back again with another one of these Transformer KO model kits. We're gonna get, this will be number 7 that we're gonna do, and we'll just get that out of the way. And this is the 7th one, and let's move the camera. And you can see all his buddies in the back there, and there he is. So we'll get this guy open. As usual, there's front of the box, side of the box, back of the box, other side of the box, and that is the bottom, and that is the top. So let's just get this open. Yeah, I've been having fun. I really enjoy these guys. They're really good characters. They've been fun to put together. Oops. Knock the camera. Don't knock the camera. So let's open this guy up. And as always, there's Grimlock and a Starscream, and not one but 2 silver packages and instructions, and they are the same instructions like always. I'm just gonna move this camera down a little bit more. There we go. And we'll open up this package first. Oh, it looks like we got Thundercracker. So we finally got another Decepticon, and that's 2 Decepticons that we got now. Just put all those pieces together. Let's open up this package. This is just pieces of the hands and everything else. And as always, we will start with these pieces right here. And you just want to unpop these out of this plastic piece, like so, and disconnect them together, and that will make a joint. And we'll do the same for over here. Grab these 2 out. And we'll make another joint. 2 more to go. So yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos that I've been making of these guys. It's been really fun doing this, and I just want to say, I never thought it would happen, but I just got 27 new subscribers in one day. That's pretty cool. And you guys keep subscribing, and I'll keep making these videos. I just got the Nemesis, and I'll be doing a video on that shortly. I have to make some room though, because as you can see, my table has gotten very full. So we're going to start off with this piece right here. And what we do to prepare that is we get these pieces out, and if you can see, they have a little notch in them. And what you want to do is put that on and keep those notches as straight as possible. Again, another notch, and we keep those as straight as possible on here, because on the chest and the back piece there are these grooves that it fits in. So I'm going to put that piece on there like that, make sure that they're straight, and then we're going to put that together like that. So then we have this piece right here, which is going to snap on just like that. We can start making his legs. They snap together like so, and like so. There's two. We can take his crotch piece and we can just put that in there like that. Same thing on the other side. And there's his crotch, and we can put that together. We can take one of these clear pieces here and push that on. Need to find his head. There's two pieces for the head, and this will slide up into the helmet. And once that's on there, we can now put his head on, just like that. The next pieces that we are going to do are the joints. So the joints fit in here, and I just like to use the table and push it down. Make sure they're straight. Put it in and use the table to push it down. That way it's locked in place. Same thing for these pieces right here. You're going to take the joint and use the table and push it on. Same thing for this one. Oh, butterfingers. And just push that on like that. Then you can take this piece and snap that onto there. Same thing for this one. And again for these pieces here. There we go. So we have all those pieces together. And now we can take this piece right here, these little clear pieces, and we're gonna push them in. Same thing with this one, and then we can just push it right down onto that foot. Same thing on this one, like that. Then we can snap it on to him. Same thing on this one. There we go. He's got his legs now, and he's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's a good little thundercracker so far, I'd say. So now these hands, or arms I should say, will snap into place and snap into place. Make sure you have the joints oriented right, and then you can take these shoulder pieces and they will slide in on a groove and snap into place just like that. Same thing for this side. There you go. Snaps into place. And then we can take his blasters and they will peg onto those posts and peg onto the other post just like that. And then we could take his wings. Oh, see, I did something wrong, but good thing. We can take this apart, wiggle it apart, and we're going to take his wings and put them on just like this. So it's like that. Then we can just put this back on, and we'll put his chest piece back on. Like that. So next step we have are the hands. I'm going to give him both open hands since he does not have a weapon. So he's getting his hands both open. And they will just plug in just like that. And like that. And there you go. There's Thundercracker. And here he is with Ramjet. And there they are with all the other Autobots. So yeah, that's what we got here, guys. That's what we got here. I hope you enjoyed all that. And just a reminder, a friendly reminder, that if you subscribe, I'm going to be giving away this guy for my 750th subscriber. And he is big. But yeah, so all you got to do is watch a video, subscribe, and you're entered to win this Optimus Prime. He doesn't even come with a gun. But yeah. And yes, he is bigger than Masterpiece Jetfire. So, again, there they all are. And yeah, only one more to go. Hopefully it's Megatron. If not, you know, I might purchase one of these boxes for myself. So that being said, this is Freakenstein saying, keep playing. Freakenstein out.